Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cutty Eats. Ba-da-ba-ba. No! I'm loving it. But today, we're trying out McDonald's hot honey breakfast items. That's right. McDonald's hopping on the hot honey sweet spicy train. And for breakfast, they've got two options. We're looking at the sausage egg biscuit with hot honey. And then you got a crispy chicken biscuit, hot honey. I could go ahead and upgrade the sausage biscuit. Same thing if I had upgraded the other one to a combo. And that's going to come with hash brown and cafe coffee. Get things kicked off and started this morning. So I will go ahead and get that cooled down maybe just a bit. Now, I would say a sausage biscuit is probably a bigger item. If we're being honest, I'm more excited for that chicken biscuit. So I think that's what I'm going to save for last. So I'm going to open up this sausage biscuit and just right off the bat, kind of good bit of honey in there. And that's just going to be on the sausage biscuit. Sausage biscuit, as usual, it's got the egg patty folded up sausage. This biscuit's nice and soft. I actually like that on the sandwich. You didn't get too much of the honey. It was kind of off to one side. And bite over here. And that does come through. It's just a little bit of sweetness. To be honest, I know it's hot honey. I'm not getting too much of the heat from it. Let's see if I can't. Ooh. Ooh. It'll wake you up just because it's nice and temp to it. It's adding the sweetness, which is gonna have gone well with a biscuit forever. The breakfast sausage, I mean, has been known to go with sweet, maple flavors. It adds just a little bit extra. Is it a premium item? No. It's a half step up from the regular. Yeah. And the regular's already one of those. That's pretty good. So, not going to be upset about that. Give me a second. I don't want to wash that away because the heat is maybe coming in a little bit more than I expected when trying it. Very, very subtle in the background. I can tell that it was hot honey and not just honey. It's not, I don't think it'd turn anyone off. And it's enough that if you don't like spicy food, maybe you'll feel a little good about, ooh, I can feel that. Ooh. But if you know, realistically, I'm going to say it's not hot. But it is sweet and fun and does add a good bit to it. Always happy to get those. Up next, though, we do have the crispy chicken biscuit. If you look here, oh, that is, ooh, that's gonna be the same thing. That top is stuck on with the honey. So I'm gonna say that's probably a good thing. This biscuit's falling a little bit apart, and that big old chicken patty. I'm excited for this one. Yep. And right where that was stuck, I got a good taste of honey. I think I've got a few less flavors going on in this one. Really helps the, I mean, I know it's just, the chicken is going to be a little bit, it feels like a thick boy. I can always push them more thin. But there's a couple different sauces, but this is like chicken and biscuit. I know that's just sausage, egg, and biscuit, but sausage brings a little bit more. Chicken is a really good palate, I think. Or maybe I'm just a sucker for. I need to glaze McDonald's any more than this honey already is. But chicken patty is pretty fire. And then that hot honey's bringing some extra heat. Again, nice subtle. Really have to focus on it. Aren't you going in and saying, they did it, they made something actually spicy. But that sweet, and that chicken and the biscuit, yeah, I know that's less of an item than a sausage biscuit was, but I think it's going to be more than some of its parts. I think that one was by far the better item. And if we're being honest, I think it looks like it's not really one they're advertising, but it was absolutely the way to go. Really, really good there. I did like that one. The biscuit was perhaps, a little crumbly, and so with it soaking up the honey, you may want to watch out on trying to eat that on the go. As far as the food goes, no complaints. Very happy with that. It's just a little minor thing that kicked it up a notch. So really happy with it. Not sure how long it's going to be here, but while it's here, it's a nice little step up. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Follow me on my other social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. There's a Patreon if you'd like to donate. All of it is at Cutty Eats. But the most important thing you can do is to just keep tuning in next time. All right. Thanks, guys. See you then.